All right, viewers, welcome back. We will be talking about Saif's health and some sensational updates, details which no other channel has. Starting first of all with what we saw yesterday, the visuals which grabbed the nation's eyeballs. Bandages, white shirt, blue jeans and a smiling face. That is how the Nawab of Bollywood, Saif Ali Khan, returned to his apartment yesterday. Now, this is where he was attacked, remember, 5 days ago. The actor was undergoing treatment at the Leelavati hospital after being attacked at his residence in Bandra. Shortly before that, the actor was discharged. Kareena Kapoor visited the Leelavati hospital for completion of paperwork. And now we have that sensational breaking update which I was talking about. Latest on the Saif attack case, probe accused cap has been found in Jay's bedroom. This is, you're hearing this news first on Times Now. We had obviously brought this to you earlier as well. Now the cap was found during a recreation of the crime scene. The cap has been sent to the forensics for DNA testing. In the Saif Ali Khan attack case, now the police has found the accused Shehzad's cap. This has been found in Saif's house. The cap was lying in Saif's son Jay or Jahangir's room. This is where Saif Ali Khan and Shehzad had reportedly clashed. The police have now sent this particular cap to the School of Forensics and Medicines for DNA testing. The police have already found, remember, 19 fingerprints of the accused from Saif's house as evidence. So it's very interesting, viewers, that a cap has been found. The cap reportedly, purportedly, according to our sources, belongs to the attacker. Now, the attacker who is now in police custody, his cap has been recovered by the cops. It's obviously a big probe update, but it also throws open many questions. How is it that so many days later that this cap has been found and recovered by the police personnel? When exactly was this cap recovered? It's been 5 days since the incident. So when was this cap recovered? If it was recovered during the recreation of the crime scenes, as the sources are telling us, so the first time when the police had gone in, did they not see the cap? Did they miss the cap? Are there still some unanswered questions, some loopholes? All of that obviously is open to speculations. We at Times Now, obviously, as usual, only reporting plain facts for our viewers. The latest, what we are bringing you for any of our viewers joining us at the moment. What's the latest, viewers? So this is a big probe update. The accused cap found in Jay's bedroom. Jay, remember, I'm sure as you all know, is the younger son of Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan. It was in his bedroom that there was a clash between Saif Ali Khan and the attacker. Nilesh is going to give us some more updates on the same. Nilesh, first of all, tell us a little more about this recovery. A cap has been recovered from Jay's bedroom. Sources say this cap belonged to the accused. When was this cap recovered and how many days after the crime was this cap recovered, first of all? Nilesh, can you hear us?
Well, yes, the investigation is currently gaining pace, and we have been informed by the police officials that how another object from Saif's residence has been recovered. Now, this happens to be a cap that the accused was carrying with him. There had been multiple objects which are still missing from the case, and that became one of the reasons that court granted custody to the said accused. Remember, we reported to our viewers that how the knife that was used to attack on Saif Ali Khan broke into 3 pieces. One piece was into his body, other was with the accused, and the third part was lying inside the residence, which was later on recovered by the cops. It was seized by the cops. And now we are getting to know that how soon the police official will be also recording the statement of Saif Ali Khan, because it will be significant in whole of the case, because tomorrow will be the last day for police officials to interrogate the said accused, because his custody will be ending tomorrow. He was presented on Sunday into Bandra Holiday Court, where he was granted a 5-day police custody, and during this 5-day interrogation, a lot of revelation had been given out by the arrested individual.
Absolutely. So stunning details emerging far as the probe is concerned. Why don't you stay with us, Nilesh? We have another big breaking news coming in, viewers. So after Saif returned home after 6 long days, for 6 days he was admitted in the hospital. A Sena Neta, believe it or not, has questioned Saif Ali Khan's fitness. There has been a bizarre remark which has been made by Sanjay Nirupam. He said the operation continued for 6 hours. but Saif recovered in just 6 days. A rather strange remark which has been made by Sanjay Nirupam. My colleague Amita is joining us live on the broadcast. Amita, first take us through the comment which has been put up by Sanjay Nirupam and how are we to read it?
Well, that remains to be seen. Meenakshi, how do we understand as far as Sanjay Nirupam, was he complimenting the doctors there at Leelavati, or was he questioning as far as Saif Ali Khan's fitness is concerned? Let's put that out for our viewers. This is what Sanjay Nirupam has to say, rather question when it comes to doctors का कहना है कि सैफ अली खान की पीठ में 2.5 इंच के अंदर तक चाकू घुसा था, अब संवत अंदर ही फंसा था, लगातार 6 घंटे तक ऑपरेशन चला। ये सब 16 जनवरी की बात है और आज 21 जनवरी है। अस्पताल से निकलते ही इतना फिट सिर्फ 5 दिन में कमाल है। So this is the question that he is raising on Saif Ali Khan yesterday when he was discharged and he made his way out on his own wearing a white shirt and blue jeans. He has bandages on his neck. He has a bandage on his wrist. However, when it comes to the speed, or rather that he was walking inside, is being questioned by Sanjay Nirupam that did the actor really undergo a surgery?
Well, absolutely bizarre to say the least. Shweta is also live with us. Shweta, this is a very interesting comment by Sanjay Nirupam. He seems to be taking a sarcastic dig, seems to be questioning really Saif's health, saying that, just hours after his surgery, hours after walking out of the hospital, the actor looked rather fit and fine. Kamal hai. How is that even possible? Take us through this statement and how do we interpret it?
Well, that's right. In fact, this is a cryptic tweet. What we can understand how Sanjay Nirupam has exactly portrayed the incidents that had taken place on Thursday in viewers, that Saif Ali Khan was attacked just right at his residence. Meanwhile, I'll also quickly show you the residence visuals, like how are the things being changed now, what are the security arrangements. But meanwhile, let's understand why Sanjay Nirupam had taken this ahead and he has tweeted Kamal hai. Now one should understand that when repeatedly doctors were saying that the injury is quite deep in nature, the knife was locked like pretty deep just near to his spinal cord, that made including the fans and everybody get concerned more about Saif Ali Khan's health. And yesterday we saw Nawab walking out very fit and fine, and this way we have seen how Sanjay Nirupam has exactly questioned both the things, that how if somebody was so critically injured due to multiple stabbing, how is he walking out so fit? Meanwhile, we are also given to understand that this can be interpreted two ways, one on the part of hospital and the other also on the PR stint. So here he is also questioning if it was a kind of PR stunt or not. Remember, when we talk about such cases, we have seen even on X, even on various social media platforms, people were questioning about the kind of incident that has taken place, and they were questioning, was it for real, was Saif really injured that critically? And now we are seeing politician Sanjay Nirupam tweeting in a very cryptic tone, asking about the Saif Ali Khan's injury, and was he that critical that after 6 days he is walking out just absolutely fit and fine?
And just to give a context to our viewers as to what we are talking about, viewers, we're talking about Sanjay Nirupam's tweet. In that tweet, he says and describes really how the knife had penetrated, into Saif's back, saying that the operation lasted about 6 hours, and how is it that he is so fit and fine, so very fast within just 5 days. Kamal hai. That's really the tweet which has been put out by Sanjay Nirupam. Rucha is also live with us. Rucha, there are many unanswered questions, many theories, many speculations which are doing around far as, Saif's health, the entire fiasco, the stabbing case is concerned. Not only, would I like you to take us through the unanswered question, the theories also, but also, how Sanjay Nirupam's latest statement is only going to add to the same. Rucha, can you hear us? All right, we'll be connecting back with Rucha just about any time now, but the tweet we have put out for our viewers, and I'll read it verbatim in Hindi once again for anyone who's just joining us. डॉक्टरों का कहना है कि सैफ अली के पीठ में 2.5 इंच तक का चाकू घुसा था, लगातार 6 घंटे ऑपरेशन चला, आज 21 जनवरी है, अस्पताल से निकलते ही इतने फिट, सिर्फ 5 दिनों में, कमाल है. So that's the statement which has been put out by Sanjay Nirupam, and that obviously has added fuel, added, fire to the speculations, the rumors, the unanswered questions around the Saif stabbing saga and obviously the probe. We will be bringing you each and every update first and always on Times Now. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.